Hi, welcome back. This is Brandon here again. In the last video, I showed you how to copy the new iOS file to network devices using copy FTP flash command using Ansible's CLI command module. This time we are going to use the native method of the SCP. So the only difference is this code. So we can basically remove that and then put that in there, and this will actually use the native SCP protocol to actually upload. The location of the file, I already actually copied the new file here under this directory and files. So if I show you ls files -lh, you can see that there's actually a file 417 megabyte file here. Okay, and this has been already configured, and I've actually used the nano editor to actually put the YAML file here. So under here you can see that there's our ansible-playbook. Okay, and let's clear that. It's actually ready, so let's get ready for ansible-playbook action. Meanwhile, I'll show you our devices. So I enable the SCP, enable the terminal monitor, and check the user connection. So there's only me connecting at the moment through SSH, and as you can see, there is no file there that we had earlier. I removed the file using delete recursive force command, and the file name .bn. Okay, so it's a clean. Same for here, there's nothing here. Okay, now run the netput method to upload the file. By the way, all the associated files are actually on my blog, and you can actually go to my blog to actually get the exact copy of Ansible file, ansible.config file, and the inventory file. Okay, so let's go and try this. Okay, so now it's trying to copy the iOS. So SCP is actually shown here. Now if we run the directory, we should be seeing the new iOS coming through. So we'll just do a quick command here. See, the file is actually increasing, and then we'll go all the way up to 470 meg. Okay, same here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna copy this guy. Yep, so that actually started as well. Okay, so let's give it about I'll say about 3 more minutes. While it's actually uploading, let me explain how this actually works. So netput is a network Ansible module which uses the SCP protocol as a default. So on the source, I'm just pointing where the file is. New iOS file name is one of the variables that I defined. That's actually this name here. So this name will be actually replacing this. And under the destination, we are sending it to the flash. And same here, the same name will be actually used, the same file name. Okay. And also Ansible command timeout is 1200. So it should give us plenty of time, so it doesn't actually time out the connection. Okay. So I'm gonna check the file size one more time. Okay, 199 meg on router 1 and over 200 on router 2. Okay, so we are almost halfway there. Okay, so why is uploading iOS files so important during the iOS upgrade? Is that it takes a long time to do this manual work. So imagine if we have 20 routers or even 200 routers that we need to actually upload the same file to bring it up to speed. Engineers usually have to do this 200 times if there's 200 devices. Otherwise, you can use something like Super Party. So, but that actually is not as streamlined as this, but some people actually can use Super Party. So what you do is you open up multiple windows and run the command from here to send it to all different servers, routers and switches. But this is a very old method. So we are actually trying to move you away from the CLI and work more smart with Ansible or Python. Okay. Good thing about working with Ansible is that you don't have to actually know how to write Python codes. It's already pre-made. In my Python book, I show you how to develop the code. So it is a sort of a really fun project to do, but learning curve is a lot steeper than using ansible-playbook. So for me it was around 3 years that took me to do Python network automation, and now with Ansible I'm into Ansible for the last 3 months, and I'm able to actually develop smaller applications. And I've been testing the simplified iOS upgrade application, and last night it was actually working, so I'm very happy. Okay, so that's actually finished. As you can see, that's the file size that we're looking for, 436573677. That equates to 417 meg. Same here, you're all finished, and we have no failed message, and everything looks good on this end. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video, and please go to my WordPress website for the code and the Ansible files to run on your environment. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.